Hello, my name is Grant Wilson. I own GJW Accounting and Tax Service. This is the third video in the series on how to install and use my QuickBooks NACHA file conversion software. Alright, we left off making the letters for our vendors. Now we're going to get the letters back from our vendors, and we're going to have to identify which vendors are going to be paid by ACH. To do that, we are going to have to edit the vendor name box. We are going to enter a pipe and then either a CCD or a PPD. The CCD is going to be for the vendors that indicate that they have a business banking account. The PPD is going to be for the vendors that indicate that they have a personal bank account. If it is a business banking account, and this might not be how you set up your QuickBooks file, but this is kind of how we need it to be set up for my NACHA file to work. If you have thousands of vendors and you can't do this, let me know. Maybe we can come up with another customized solution. So businesses are going to need the company name. Individuals, there's going to be no company name. We will also need the alternate to email. This is where we enter the email addresses on the authorization form. If there is more than one, we enter a semicolon and then a space, type in the next email address. If there's another email, semicolon, space, and so on. If you're using the alternate email to already, this is a small custom thing I can change, with the caveat that one of these items is open, like an URL 4 or an other 3. If you need that, just let me know. I can have the file ready for you within 24 hours. So we're going to click OK here. So the business accounts, pipe, CCD, we have the company name. I did about 8 of these. We have some personal ones down here. Where are they? We have Sloan Roofing, PPD. You can notice there's no company name, and I believe there's one other right here. Middlefield Drywall, again, PPD, there is no company name. If you need to, you can put their name in the full name. You can just do, or the first and last name. You could do Middlefield and then Drywall, and then it'll come out like that if you need to. So that's all we need to do to edit the vendors. Every vendor that's going to get paid with the ACH needs to have either the CCD or the PPD, and everyone needs an email address. The last thing we have to do with the QuickBooks file is memorize, or actually make 2 reports and then memorize them. First one, reports. We're going to go down to banking and then check detail. We need the following columns: type, number, date, name, paid amount, and original amount. We do not need item, we do not need account. To get rid of those, left click and move the mouse over. Otherwise, you can go to customize report and just uncheck. Where's the account number? Uncheck and you're good. You also do not want the left margin checked. So here we go: type, number, date, name, paid, and original. Then what we're going to do is memorize this report. Again, do something you're going to remember. QB NACHA. I'm going to save it in the memorized report group under banking. The next report is a vendor report. Reports, list. I'm going to do the vendor phone list. Go to customize report. We do not want the left margin. We want the vendor, the company, no phone. We want the alternate email to, We want the bill from 1, bill from street 1, bill from street 2, city, state, zip, and we also want the print on check as. Click OK. There is one little edit you have to do here. We need the alternate email and the company switched around. Click and hold. Just move it over there till that red, see the little red arrow shows up, and then just drop it as soon as the arrow shows up. So we want vendor, alternate email to company. The rest will be in the right order. We want to memorize this report as well. We'll do QB NACHA vendor list. I'm going to save it in the memorized report group under vendors. You can save it wherever you want. Oops, I already did that, so that name is there. So I'll just put a 1 there. That is basically all the customization you need to do with your QuickBooks file. In the next video, we will start actually using the files that I created. Basically, the steps are: anytime you edit or add a vendor that is being paid with ACH, you need to export a new vendor list, and for every check run you're going to have to export a check detail list. So that's it for right now. Thank you for watching, and make sure you catch the next video.